Hey everyone, my name is Ali and I did something crazy last week. I decided to speak only English for 7 days. Yes, only English. No Urdu, no mix, just English. And honestly, it changed something inside me. Let me tell you what happened. Day 1, I was scared. The first day, I looked in the mirror and said, "Good morning, Ali. Today is your English day." It sounded funny, even to me. My tongue felt heavy. My brain was confused. At breakfast, my mom asked, "What do you want to eat?" I said slowly, "I want bread and egg, please." She looked at me and laughed. "Why English?" I said, "Because I want to practice." And she smiled. "Okay, my English girl." That day, everyone laughed a little. But I didn't stop. I told myself, "Sarah, you started this. You have to finish it." Day 2, I made mistakes a lot. The next day, I was talking to my brother. He said, "Say something funny in English." So I said, "Why did the chicken cross the road?" He laughed so hard, not at the joke, but at my accent. But instead of feeling bad, I laughed too, because at least I was speaking. That night, I watched an English movie with subtitles. I paused after every line and repeated the words. I didn't understand everything, but I understood something, and that was enough to make me proud. Day 3. I spoke English in the market. This day was scary. I went to buy milk and I told myself, "Okay, Ali, today you will speak English no matter what." So I said, "Hello. How much is this milk?" The shopkeeper stared at me and said, "Sir, Urdu, please." I smiled and said, "Sorry, I am practicing English." He laughed and said, "Okay, 200 rupees." I gave him the money and said, "Thank you very much." When I came home, I told my mom proudly, "Mom, I spoke English in the market." And she smiled. "See, you are learning." That moment made me so happy. I felt confident. Day 4, I wanted to give up. This was a hard day. I wanted to tell my friend about my bad day, but I didn't know the right words. I said, "I feel, not happy." She said, "Sad?" "Yes, sad. I feel sad." We laughed, but inside I felt tired. I thought, maybe I should stop. Then I watched a video where a girl said, "When you feel like giving up, remember why you started." Those words hit my heart. I didn't start this challenge to be perfect. I started it to be brave. So I decided I won't stop. Day 5, I started to change. Something was different. When I woke up, I didn't have to translate in my head anymore. I just spoke. I said, "I'm getting better." My mom noticed too. She said, "Your English sounds more natural now." I even called my cousin in London. Her English was fast, but I told her, "Can you please speak slowly?" She said, "Of course. I'm so proud of you." That made me smile so much. That day, I realized, people don't laugh when you try, they actually support you. Day 6, I gained confidence. On the 6th day, I did something new. I made a small video, just for myself. I said, "Hello everyone. My name is Ali, and I am speaking English for 7 days." At first, my voice was shaking, but I kept going. If I can do it, you can too. Don't be scared of mistakes. I posted it online, and people commented, "Wow, you are improving. You inspired me." I couldn't believe it. My small video made others feel motivated. That night, I slept with a big smile. Day 7, the best day. On the last day, something magical happened. When I woke up, I was thinking in English, without even trying. I said to myself, "Wow, Ali, you did it." My mom hugged me and said, "I'm proud of you. You really spoke English for 7 days." I almost cried. It wasn't just about English anymore. It was about courage, discipline, and believing in myself. My friend Hina said, "You sound confident now." I smiled and said, "Because practice changes everything." After 7 days, I didn't stop. I still speak English every day, even if I make mistakes, because I learned something powerful. You don't need perfect grammar to speak. You need a brave heart. Now, when someone asks me how I learned English, I say, "I just started speaking, and I never stopped." So, my friend, if you're scared to speak English, start small. Talk to yourself. Talk to your mirror. Talk to your friends. Don't wait for the right time. The right time is now. Because every small word you say in English brings you closer to your dream. Remember, mistakes are not bad. They are your teachers. Speak, learn, grow, and never, ever be afraid to try.